Hi, my name is Kristen and I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making this 3D paper pumpkin. So the supplies you'll be needing are 2 pieces of orange construction paper, a pair of scissors, glue, a pencil, and a small piece of a green pipe cleaner. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold your papers hot dog style. Now that you've folded your paper, you're going to go ahead and draw a half circle on the folded side of one of them. Now that you drew that, you're going to go ahead and cut it out. Now that you cut it out your shape, you're going to go ahead and place it on the folded side of the paper and continue to cut out 9 more. Now that you have your pieces cut out, you're going to go ahead and glue 2 of them together. You're going to go ahead and also do the same with the rest of the pieces. Now that you've glued all your parts together, you're going to add your stem along the folded side. After you glue the stem on, you're going to fan out the pumpkin and glue the ends together. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.